Graph 32 minus 2x equals 8y. Well, y is not all by itself, so what we have to do is get y all by itself. Now, since 8 is being multiplied to y, I only have one step to do, and that's divide literally both sides by 8, which is literally everything by 8. Literally. It's a sign of a bad vocabulary. So 32 over 8 is 4. Negative 2 over 8 simplifies to negative 2 over 8, which is negative 1/4 x equals y. Now, I hate the way that looks. Y is all by itself, so why don't I write out y over here? And that's going to equal, in order, negative 1/4 x and a plus positive 4. Now we have this in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. And when y is all by itself, the number in front of x is going to be your slope, and the number floating around is going to be your y-intercept. So always start out with your y-intercept, which is 4 on the y-axis. This is a negative slope, which is going down and to the right. So use that slope to make more dots. So I can go down 1, right 4. Can I do it again? No, not enough space. But if I can go down 1, right 4, I can go up 1, left 4, like so. Now that I have enough dots drawn out, I could take my line and I can draw a line that connects through the dots. I think that ought to do it. Let's use this little guy over here to make myself some arrowheads. And yeah, that's me graphing a line. Fun stuff.